In this guide, I will show you how to turn off voice chat in WhatsApp groups. Firstly, open the WhatsApp application on your device. Navigate to the WhatsApp group where you want to turn off voice chat. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner and then select Group Info from the drop-down menu. Tap on the three dots again within the Group Info screen and select Group Permissions. In the group permissions, you will notice that there is no option to turn off voice chat directly within WhatsApp. Since WhatsApp does not currently provide a direct option to turn off voice chat in group settings, follow these steps. Go back to the main WhatsApp application screen, tap and hold the WhatsApp icon, and then tap on the I button to see the app information. Note the version of WhatsApp you are using, and you can downgrade the WhatsApp version to disable chat, because you might need an older version of WhatsApp as the newer update includes this feature by default. If your WhatsApp group has more than 256 members, the voice chat option will automatically be disabled. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.